Ambient computing is turning our homes into quiet hubs where devices anticipate needs, not demands, reshaping daily routines. From smart thermostats learning schedules to sensors that adjust lighting before you enter a room, the goal is seamless comfort. Behind the magic lie edge AI and low-power chips that process data on site, reducing latency and protecting privacy. This week's Quick Dive reveals how manufacturers design cooperative ecosystems that work without loud app notifications or constant syncing. Staying curious means watching for how these tiny decisions compound into smarter cities, safer devices, and a calmer digital world.